Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today it's a weekend. Today on Saturday, July the 31st, 2021. Yes, look, 30 or first July. Yes, 2021. We have only one. No, actually, there are two regular Sudokus, a medium Sudoku we have here, and a quintuplet 5 Sudokus merged into a whole one big quintuplet. I've mentioned earlier that I won't do this anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And I have not so good news today because in this daily newspaper of Saturday 31st July the 31st, 2021, we have no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus. Last week, the publisher has also no extra Sudokus published. Well, actually, he published the same Sudokus or puzzles on Friday. So I think it was a misprint or an error. But today also no extra Sudokus. Let me show you first with a few pages and then no, today no extra Sudokus or puzzles. So I'm very disappointed. So what is the solution? The solution is, let me continue with the extra Sudokus of Friday. Yes. So later on, after this puzzle, medium Sudoku, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of Friday, yesterday, yes. And tomorrow I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of Thursday. All right. So let's get started with this medium Sudoku. This baby will be number 3176. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is an easy one. 28 printed digits. So one digit less than the one star Sudoku in an additional. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. Okay. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which numbers shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Well. Nine. I'm scanning. Six. Yeah. Which number shall I pick? We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. All right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. All right. In this row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. All right. All right. Then let me see. 5. Well. Complicated. 8. No. 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 6 here. There we have also 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, no only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2, that 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7, 8, and the 9. 7 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, and look, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Yeah. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 6 are missing in this big square. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, and now we have a pair in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. Here a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this row. We have a 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 1 and a 6. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6, and a 7. 5 and a 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. All right. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, the 3, 4, and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. All right. Then 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 in this last column could be here, could be there. So now we have a pair, 7 and a 6. 7 and a 6, so 1 digit left in the last column for the number 1. All right. All right. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 7. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Here we have a 7 and a 6. The other 3 numbers are the 9, the 2, and the 8. 9, 2, 8. 9, 2. No. We have a 2 here. 9, 5, 8. 9, 5, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right. 1. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. Well, we have another 1 there, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, the 3, and the 4 are missing in this row. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Then let me see. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7. 5 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 8 are missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. Okay. So now we have a 6 here. This box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. Okay. Then. Let me see. 7 and 8. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about those 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 2 and 8, 2 and an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 9 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes for the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 1 minute slowly than I've expected. Yes. Well, I like the Sudoku. It's not easy one. So, yeah. The practice still continue. Yes. Thank you again for watching. And, yeah. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and later on I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper on Friday of the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.